My name is Chef Kay, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite dishes from my childhood. Farina, aka cream of wheat, aka I used to eat this stuff probably like twice a week growing up for breakfast because it's such an easy breakfast. If you got those baby kids, definitely make this for them. Now, I'm not into long intros because I know exactly why you clicked on this video, so let's go ahead and make some farina. So I got my ingredients all measured out. Well, kind of. Almond milk. This is what we're going to be using today. I'm using the vanilla one because this is all I have. But you can use the original. It's all good. And by the way, Stop and Shop, they need to sponsor me because I'm always talking about them. And I'm always at their store. Them and Trader Joe's. And then I'm using some plant-based butter. You can use regular butter, but I just been trying to stay away from dairy. So I'm using some plant-based butter. Also got some ground cloves, some cinnamon. I got some nutmeg. Preferably freshly ground nutmeg, but I don't have none I don't have any at the moment, so this is what we're working with. And I got some raw sugar. You can use regular white sugar if you want to. It's cool. I'm just using raw sugar today. And then I got some vanilla extract, just a little pinch of salt, and the star of the show, Farina, with homeboy on the front. And I have my farina all poured out already. So now we can make some farina. Let's go. So first I'm going to go in with my almond milk, and all of the measurements will be listed down below in the description box. Then I'm going to go in with my raw sugar and my vanilla extract, and then turn the burner on to medium low heat and just stir that until the sugar dissolves. Now you don't have to sit here and babysit it, but just, you know, on and off, just stir it until the sugar is dissolved. Then I'm going to go in with my ground cloves and ground cinnamon, and then we're going to add in a pinch of nutmeg. Now preferably fresh if you have it, but like I said before, I don't have it, so it is what it is. Just going to use what we have, and then we're just going to combine that together. Now, once your milk is heated up, you can see the steam coming off of mine now. You want to go ahead and turn your pot to low, well, your burner to low, and then go ahead and add in the farina. Now, once you do this, you want to continuously stir the farina or it's going to start to like lump up on you. A lot of people, they don't like lumps in their farina, but I actually do. I'm one of the oddballs. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to try to make it as smooth as possible. So we're just going to continuously stir the farina for about 2.5 minutes. Now you can take like, you know, little breaks here and there, but nothing too crazy. Like anything over 10 seconds, you gotta come back because you're gonna start to get some lumpy farina. Just taking a little break right here, as you can see. Nothing too crazy, like I said. Okay. And now I'm gonna go back to stirring. And at this point, you can see the farina start to thicken up. So we're honestly like almost finished because this comes together really fast. And once you're done cooking the farina, it should look something like this, coming off real smooth, just to give you guys an understanding of how the texture should be. And then once you hit this point, you want to go ahead and turn the stove off. Then I'm going to go in with a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and a tablespoon of butter, and then we're just going to stir that together. honestly, like, we're done now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plate this up. But before I do that, you guys let me know down below in the comments if you've tried Farina before, and also let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Give me some ideas so I could add that to my list and we can keep this YouTube thing going. So now that we have our farina here, I'm just gonna go ahead and top it with some fresh berries. I got some blueberries and I got some raspberries. Now I honestly like the GMO blueberries, like the big juicy ones, but I know that these are like in its natural state, but it is what it is. We're just gonna work with what we got. And then I'm just gonna dust it with some cinnamon powder and we're good to go. Let's go eat. Taste test. Yo, my stomach is growling. Did you hear that? So, time for the taste test. Mine is kind of cold, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm still eat it. I'm gonna try it for you guys because I was trying to clean up and stuff. Memories coming back, like boom boom. But yeah, this is so good. A quick and easy breakfast, especially if you guys have kids. I don't have one of those right now, but you can make this for yourself, you can make this for your kids. I think this would be good for old people too, not gonna lie, sorry. But yeah, definitely like a staple in my household. And growing up, I never put the berries on top. I don't know. I just had like Farina. That was it. But I put the berries on top because, you know, I wanted to make it look presentable. So this is new for me, by the way. I'm gonna try it with the berry though. Cause I know they have it advertised, like, well, not advertised, but they have it like plated like this on the box. Not once have I ever put fruit on my Farina. This is the one with all the spices and stuff like this. Actually, growing up, and I used to put like spices in it. I just put sugar, butter, and milk, and that was it. But now that I'm an adult, I can kind of like do it my way. So you guys definitely check this recipe out. It's so simple. Like if you can't cook, you could definitely make Farina. Like I kid you not. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what other recipes you guys want to see down below in the comments. Yeah, I definitely want to make some videos on recipes that you guys want to see. So let me know down below in the comments and I'll check you in the next video. Later.